let's solve this together. What is x? What we have to do is to first simplify this. Write both. We have 64 here and we have 16 here. Let's express both in the same base. We can use base 2 and we can use base 4 since both can be expressed in both base. So let's use base 4. 4 power 3 will give 64. So this means we'll be having 4 power 3, then bracket 2x plus 4. And this we will be having 4 power 2, then bracket 5x. Now, let's simplify the numerator, the power, so that we have 4 power 3 times 2x, we give 6x, then plus 3 times 4, we give 12. And this will be equal to 4 power 10x. Now, we can equate the power since we have the same base, so that we have 6x plus 12 to be equal to 10x. If 6x goes to the other side, it becomes negative. So that means we'll be having 10x minus 6x to be equal to 12. And this will give 4x equals 12. And now we can divide both sides by 4 so that x will be equal to 3, and that is the value of x. If you put 3 here in the given equation, then the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side.